Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In the last video tutorial, we just discussed how to make a simple nav bar using Bootstrap. In today's video, we'll just discuss how to make social icons for your website. Okay, so suppose you want to add some social icons like for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. You can add it simply. I'll be using font awesome icons. Okay, just go to your favorite browser and type font awesome icons. You will be redirected to the official to the website, and you can just search for any icon here. Let's suppose we want Instagram icon. You can see we already got the Instagram icon. Just go and visit this one and just copy the HTML. But for now, before using the icons, you have to get the CDN links. Okay, so let's go and search for font awesome CDN links. We'll get it from W3 Schools. It's easily available here. Just copy this one and paste it here. So I already have this link pasted here, so you can see that I already have pasted this link. You can again paste it whatever you wish to. So you have to paste this CDN link. Okay, now let's just come back here and just copy this HTML code. Okay, so this was the nav bar we introduced in the previous video. So let's just minimize this one. Okay, yeah, so this div was all about the nav bar we discussed in the previous tutorial. So let's make another div and give it a class as social, let's say, and inside this we'll be having, let's say, 4 icons. Okay, so all these icons should be links anyhow, so we'll be inside a tag href. Let's for now make it a dead link, and inside this a tag we'll be just pasting that code we copied from the official website. Okay, and let's just delete this b. So this is Fafa Instagram, and let's see if you see any icons there. Okay, as you can see that we have got a small icon of Instagram. Let's just copy this code and paste it couple of times. So this is for GitHub, let's say. This is for let's say Twitter. This is for maybe Facebook. Okay, Facebook. Let's see, we got all, yeah, we got all the 4 icons here. So now yeah, so let's just style them. In this CSS1 we have already linked it before. You can see we have linked this style sheet here in this HTML file. So let's just write social. Okay, inside this social class, what we need to make the display as to be flex. Okay, and justify the content towards the center. Let's see what changes we find. Okay, so this was what I was going to talk about. Okay, now what we can do is, inside the social class, social, basically this is a div with the class social. Inside this we have all these icons, right? So we'll just have some styling of these icons. So let's give some border. Let's say 1 pixel solid, and this color, how it looks, you can see this looks pretty awkward. So let's just increase the size, font size as 2 rem, and you can see that it got enlarged. Let's give here some margin, guys. Let's say 30 pixel, small size. Okay, and let's give some padding for all these icons. Let's say 20 pixel. I'm showing you each and every step okay, so that you don't confuse. Okay, so let's give some margin as, let's say, 10 pixel, so that all the icons are separated from each other. Yeah, so if you don't want this to be square, you can change it using border radius, right? So after this border, you can use a border radius of, let's say, 20%. So this will turn out something like this. This looks good. Now we can do one thing, or we can also use some box shadow to look it more good. And the box shadow is, oh my god, let's say 3 pixel, 4 pixel and 5 pixel. Let's say that we have this color itself. This looks good. Yeah, so now let's change the colors of these all icons. Okay, for Instagram, what's the spelling? For Instagram, the color should be somewhat near about, let's say, blue violet, or let's just change it to this lighter one. Let's see. Yeah, it got updated, you can see. For GitHub, the color should be black. Yes, black. You can see turn black. For Twitter, the color should be near sky blue, and let's change it to something like this, I guess. Yeah, and Facebook, I think it's okay, we don't need to change it. Now we can add some hovering effect on all these icons. So how we can do that? So we'll take all these icons, and when we hover over them, we can have some box shadow different. You can add your own style. I'll be using box shadow. Let's just copy this entirely. The box shadow color will be different. Let's say the color is near about violet. Let's see how it looks. It looks good. Okay, so you can make your own social icons. You can style them according to your own wish. This was just an introductory part, how you can just make your social icons for your website. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe this channel for the latest updates of the videos I upload, and stay safe. Thank you so much for watching.